In the last decade, BRICS member countries saw a rise in cooperation as the global economy declined. And when leaders of 5 economies, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, reunited to look at the next chapter, they saw more opportunities and bigger challenges.
We are facing a choice between cooperation and confrontation, between opening up and a closed-door policy, between mutual benefit and a beggar-thy-neighbor approach. The international community has once again reached a new crossroads.
President Xi at the BRICS Business Forum emphasized free trade and integration, as protectionism, particularly from the United States, creates growing concerns.
Trade war should be rejected because there will be no winner.
The BRICS group comprises more than 40% of the global population, representing some of the biggest emerging markets. President Xi is calling for developing countries to unify and take a leap forward as world economy shifts gear. It's a chance to rebalance the global economic landscape, which used to be dominated by developed countries.
We should release more positive effects of economic globalization and help emerging and developing countries, especially African and least developed countries, to be involved in the industrial division of labor and share the dividends of globalization.
To do that, Xi said China is continuously opening up its markets and welcoming more and more participants in the Belt and Road Initiative. Yang Zhao, CGTN.